We present the world's largest mobile CNC machining center, the MMC-10, with a maximum handling diameter of 10 meters. Developed by MEBA Automation Systems. The first site of the MMC-10 is the hydroelectric power plant Boyabat in Turkey. ANDRITZ Hydro was awarded the contract to design, manufacture, and install 3 complete turbine generator sets, including electrical systems with a total output of 528 megawatts. Up to now, large-sized turbine parts have been manufactured and finally assembled in the workshop. Separated into parts for transport reasons, on-site they were welded together again. Deformations due to the heat while welding and mechanical loads made time-consuming grinding work necessary in order to achieve the required precision. With the new MMC-10, the final machining of the main turbine parts takes place directly at the construction site. Turning, milling, drilling, tapping on parts already welded and encased in concrete. The Mobile Machining Center 10 consists of the following components: the rotation tower, the X-axis, the supporting and adjusting unit, the spacer block, and the control cabinet. The Mobile Machining Center MMC-10 is easy to ship and assemble in a short time. Because of this, the MMC-10 can be deployed quickly practically anywhere in the world. It is shipped to the site in 3 20-foot standard containers with a total weight of 45 tons. Assembly is carried out in the erection bay of the powerhouse and takes 2 days. The final assembly and installation takes 1 day. The 5 main components of the MMC-10 are lifted into the pit and installed. First, the rotation tower. The supporting and adjusting unit is lifted into position and mounted. Now, the spacer block is lowered toward the supporting and adjusting unit. The control cabinet, together with the construction site distribution panel, is lifted into position and mounted. The construction site distribution panel is removed from the control cabinet and installed. The 12-meter high machine is adjusted to a precision of hundredths of a millimeter. The draft tube cone is face milled at a speed of 220 revolutions per minute. Maximum chip removal can reach up to 10 millimeters. The lower stay ring is lathed to size. Cutting speed can reach up to 160 meters per minute and bring about a maximum chip removal of 3 millimeters. This tablet PC shows the close monitoring of the turning tool. The lower stay ring is milled. Here, the maximum chip removal amounts to 2.5 millimeters. Total spindle power is 30 kilowatts. With the help of the mobile CNC machine, the unmachined components can be fitted, encased in concrete, and only then machined. This way, we build faster and with greater precision, since damages through distortion are excluded. The highest precision in the least amount of time with the MMC-10. Developed by MIBA Automation Systems for ANDRITZ Hydro.